Welcome to ABC Surprise Learning. Let's discover letters A to F. This is the letter A. A says A. What's inside? A is for apple. Apple! This is the letter B. B says burr. What could it be? B is for ball. Ball! This is the letter C. C says K. What's inside? C is for cat. Cat! This is the letter D. D says D. What do you see? D is for dog. Dog! This is the letter E. E says What could it be? E is for elephant. This is the letter F. F says if. What's coming out? F is for fish. Fish. Great job, kids! I'm so proud of you. Tap like and subscribe. Let's learn again soon. Bye!